Alright guys, so basically I know that I've made several videos on the different types of salivary glands. Okay, I've made like individual videos on them. Okay, but in this video I'll be like joining everything. Okay, I'll be talking about the comparisons of the three salivary glands that we have. That's the parotid, sublingual, and the submandibular. Then we'll be talking about their contrast too. Okay, that's the differences between the three. Okay, so compare and contrast salivary gland. The question is compare and contrast the three types of salivary glands. Okay, the three types of salivary glands, we have the parotid glands, we have the submandibular glands, and we have the sublingual glands. Okay, so the comparison, we say that they are all exocrine glands. Okay, they all secrete saliva. All right, so they all secrete their products via ducts. Okay, so the third one could be they are all salivary glands. Okay, they all secrete saliva. Okay, they are all exocrine glands too, and they all secrete via ducts. Okay, that's why you have parotid gland duct and sublingual gland duct. Okay, and all of them, their ducts have specific names. Okay, that one comes under the differences. All right, so this is a parotid gland, submandibular gland, and sublingual gland. Okay, so the contrast is when you are differentiating them based on location. We say that the parotid gland is situated near the ear. Okay, the parotid gland is situated near the ear. The sublingual gland, the submandibular gland is situated where? Below the mandible. Okay, submandibular gland is below the mandible. Okay, that's based on location. Then the sublingual is just below the tongue. Okay, so the sublingual is just below the tongue. Okay, but submandibular now is inner. Okay, then based on development, we said that parotid is ectodermal in origin, while submandibular and sublingual are endodermal. Okay, so they are like from the inner structures, while parotid is outerward, so it's from the ectodermal. Okay, the outer origin. Okay, so still moving forward based on size, we said that parotid gland is the largest, which is 25 grams. Okay, the submandibular is smaller, which is 6 to 10 grams, while sublingual is the smallest, and the sublingual is 3 to 4 grams. Okay, so how about based on shape? We said that the parotid is what? Pyramidal in shape. Okay, it's like a pyramid though. All right, it's like a pyramid. Then the sublingual is what? The submandibular. The submandibular is J-shaped. Okay, while the sublingual is almond. Okay, it's like an almond seed. Okay, so based on duct now, yeah, based on duct name, that's what we'll be going in. So I'll coming back to that picture. All right, so parotid secretes via the stenson's duct, submandibular is through the wharton's duct, and sublingual is through the bartholin's duct or the duct of Ravenous. Okay, so looking at this is parotid gland is through the stenson's duct, the submandibular is through the wharton's duct, and the sublingual is through the what? Sublingual is through the bartholin's duct or the duct of Ravenous. Okay, so based on the point of entry into the oral cavity, parotid gland opens into the vestibule of the oral cavity, opposite the second upper molar tooth. Like I remember seeing this question in steeplechase. Then how about the submandibular? It opens in the floor of the oral cavity proper on the summit of the sublingual papillae. All right. Then sublingual gland has a series of ducts that opens into the floor of the oral cavity proper on the sublingual fold. Okay. So I think basically that's it though. All right. Basically that's it. Let's just have a revision on the ducts. Parotid gland is Stenson's duct. Submandibular gland is Wharton's duct. The sublingual gland is what? Duct of Ravenous. Okay, so duct of Ravenous. Right. So that's basically the compare and contrast of the three types of saliva. Three types of salivary glands. Okay. Similarities and differences. Compare and contrast. Which one should I use? Which one do students use the most? Similarities and differences, right? Okay, so guys, that's it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.